All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today with
Your boy.
and
Your boy.
I thought he was gonna say your girl.
I was hoping he said that.
No.
And this, You Make It We Skate It, literally just flew in straight from Russia. Where are you from?
St. Petersburg.
St. Petersburg.
Flight, well, in total, around 15 hours.
Oh my goodness.
15 hours flight.
11
Aaron,
from Frankfurt.
I would lose my mind.
I would have a nice nap on a 15-hour flight. I would finally get some sleep for once in my life. Okay, let's open this up. So this literally flew in from Russia just now. We had no idea this was coming. And then next thing we knew, a person's here. With a You Make It We Skate It. And here we are. We're not very good at opening things.
Well, it's not Saran wrap.
You need a little fire.
Hey,
I know,
you
I
think
thought about
Susan
that.
Sarandon would be proud?
Oh. Broke my
What in the world? Oh, yes.
Wait, what?
Привет means hello. Wow, we're gonna shred this for sure. Dude, it's thick. Wow, look at that. Spot for trucks?
Whoa.
I'm dying to know what it says.
What?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Giganter, the Giganter. What? Look at that! Look at how sick that is! Oh my gosh.
Wait,
it's so
that
cool.
smells so good.
It does.
Giganter skates.
Is it not letter?
Mad Shed. There's a letter.
There's a couple letters here.
Let's go to the biggest hill
Dude,
we
this
can
is
find.
insane.
Or the biggest wave we can find.
Letter!
We just found a letter.
You ripped it.
Troy?
Wait, where did Troy come from?
Hi, Giganter Skate is from St. Petersburg, Russia. Привет. St. Petersburg is just 1,000 kilometers south from the Arctic Circle and famous for its beautiful white nights in summer. Wow, white nights. Surfing around here is brutal. We surf the Baltic Sea when the winter storms come.
I just got out of snow. That is way too cold.
Braille surfs the Baltic Sea.
Yeah, let's do
Should
it.
we go? That's a movie. Giganter Skate is for training longboard surfers, including in Olympics together with skating. So first try doing some longboard style tricks like hang 10 manual. You got that. Usually
man.
we use the V-track trucks. What are the V-track trucks?
I want 'em.
What does that
We
mean?
have some.
Somebody
Like,
Google
we have
that.
some.
Let the surf be with you from Russia with love, Ivan and Sergey. P.S. For short note, I need to go feed my pet bear.
He has a pet bear. What?
I also have a
I
pet
just
bear.
found out.
Russia is amazing.
I just found out you're not supposed to have like bears, monkeys, or like mountain lions. Don't own them.
Yeah, obviously not.
No, dude. Like.
Yeah,
you're
you
not
can.
supposed to own them.
What about a tiger?
Can I just say respect for the short note is not
Solid,
Check
right?
the top of it. Evan.
Don't break the board, right?
Dude, it's got the Braille on it.
Don't break the board.
That's-
That is
I don't
sick, isn't
ever
it?
want to break this. I don't even, I just want to hang this up, but we can't.
We must shred it.
I
Longboard
can
style.
take it.
Carlos, you can kickflip this.
Yeah.
These? Are these Giganter trucks?
Have you found anything?
No.
How do you even get them in there? Screws?
I think you just screw them in there, yeah.
Is that really the trucks we want to use? Yeah, let's go. Wang danga.
Maybe just use normal trucks with risers.
Risers?
Yeah.
Why?
So you don't get wheel bite. Oh,
Wheel
I can
bite?
do it.
Dude, look, it's a natural wooden riser, dude. Look at
Yeah,
that.
for it.
Oh yeah.
Now
No
we got
wheel
it.
bite.
Now it'll work. First try. Can you kickflip this?
I haven't even seen how heavy it is.
Can we put bindings on this?
No.
Yes.
Haven't you?
Carlos, I really don't like your attitude
like
right
your
now.
attitude,
You better
alright?
knock it off
You've
right
been
now.
at this all
You know
day.
what? Stop.
I'm thinking like that.
Bye. Thank you.
You rock. Surf's up, bro. It's the Giganter. Skate this, Uzi. You scared? Fede, Uzi, Carlos, Troy, let's go!
I'll kickflip it right now.
What? Do it.
$100 first try.
First try?
Shake on it.
This is
It's Giganter.
ways. I don't know how to say ton like Giganter. Giganter?
You called my name?
Kickflip.
Okay, that's good. Now let me kickflip. All right, I'm putting my full effort into this. I'm afraid I might lose a flip. All right, here we go.
He almost broke his leg.
I thought I was gonna lose a leg.
I guess if you're surfing the Baltic Sea, you're pretty like hardcore. Don't worry, you won't see any balls.
Oh wait. This
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ah, enough hitting my shins,
Oh, no.
dude.
Oh,
Enough of
no.
that. Oh, that's too many.
You gotta land the shove, man.
Dark slide. Every time I set up, I get off course.
I didn't realize it was coming straight from my jugular.
That is so loud.
Pressure flip. Shove it off.
How about this? You ride, and I hold the handstand, and you hold my legs.
What?
That's weird.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, we're going fakey.
Fakey.
Doesn't seem like it'd be that heavy. Then you go for it. Damn.
Watch this, okay? Ready?
Whoa!
Skate or die. Surf's up. That can be done. Even if it's like a 90 shove it.
Use these little legs.
Fakey big spin.
Ooh.
Watch your legs there, partner.
Ow.
Giganter hit me. Oh, I know why. The trucks aren't totally straight.
Everything I got. 20-pound bandit.
There's some balls flying out of your pockets.
Let Uzi do it. I know what I
That
need.
thing's heavy.
Hold my phone. I knew I needed to pop. Too hot. Too much. I'm dead. I might walk it.
What did you tell him to do?
He just has to surf, so he has to start lying down and like paddle and then get up and then he's gonna go down the bank.
Oh gosh. Trying to kill my man.
He wanted to.
I thought he was gonna full send on his stomach.
He won't skate this, ever. But he'll do that.
Well, Daniel's up. Look.
You need to go a little faster.
I heard I was gonna hit the Euro and I didn't have enough clearance.
Did you see him fall?
He said, so is this supposed to be a surfboard?
Uzi, you falling down the bank, I think, is my favorite thing that's happened this month.
The grip tape, dude. Take it easy. Luke, get on the back.
Oh no.
If we can't do one, then two's not gonna work out.
You guys do double.
Should we repair it? Told you.
I go here?
Yeah, go to the
Yeah,
end.
but you're gonna jump.
I'm not gonna jump. I'm just gonna prove that I'm heavy enough to keep you going.
You watch yourself.
And trust me, man.
I trust you.
I'm gonna move though. Jeez, Carlos, you're leaking everywhere, man.
Bro.
I knew you were not real.
Talk about being a beanbag. Big 10. Yeah.
Could've been better.
Could have been better.
Yo, Fetty, what are you doing? What is going on here?
Go down the 5.
Oh, my goodness. Straight to the 5.
What are they doing? No Braille drop, just straight to the 5?
Well, I think Carlos is doing the Braille drop after.
You'd think they'd want to warm up.
You got that.
What in the world? Who would send that?
Firecracker. He would send that. It's the most anticlimactic thing ever. Just
That's how I'll try to dang it.
No, wang it and then dang it.
let's go.
I lost balance.
Nailed it.
That's my bad.
What do you think of this?
I think I got pitted going down the bank, so this just seems a little extreme.
When you gotta skate at noon, but surf is life.
See, those matches are the best investment ever.
I love that he tries to lift up and he just lifts his front leg and nothing happens.
Oh, there's a wall there.
What if he just went all the way through the wall?
He did.
The guy spent like 10 minutes throwing balls to this, And then he came back the next day and with all of the balls and threw him and said, "Stop throwing balls in his warehouse."
What balls?
Tennis balls.
Thing's heavy.
Anything slightly hard? Yes.
What?
Carlos.
Wait. You're gonna just kill yourself with screws, dude. You need washers.
That one's in. That one's in.
That is only making matters worse. You're gonna fall in a screw.
How are you gonna know where to go?
It's only making mattress worse.
Kind of makes me want to take a nap.
You're gonna double it up?
Go big or go home.
I don't know.
You're gonna double it up?
You gonna double that up, Teddy?
Hey, Philly, you're gonna double it up? Oh, I touched it.
Ah.
Just kidding. It's just a mattress. Saved Fetty's life many times. Look at that.
That's ridiculous.
Absolutely ridiculous.
The board's a little off. Yeet!
I would never do that.
Full send. That was so sick. I think I broke my fingers again. I put them down and they just went.
Respect. That was gnarly.
That works so well.
Oh my gosh, dude.
You still got knocked out of bed, dude.
That was awesome. You gonna jump onto it? Hey, let's hold it and he can jump onto it.
Plus that.
Oh.
Me on the floor. It's a Jedi mind trick right there. Nobody move. I have like 2 seconds.
Do you see what that is? So this right here is rotten banana that's dripping from the Linex banana up there.
Get it out! Fetty! You gotta get that down. We can get that down.
Is there actually a banana?
Yeah, Linex.
My neck is killing me from that snowboard trip.
Now is your time.
You know what I said to her?
Say it one more time.
I said, hello, beautiful, in Russian.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know you can speak Russian.
Привет, красивая.
Why are you rushing it, man?
Start rushing to land this trick. Wow, the board is better than you, Carlos.
It is from Russia. It's rushing it.
The demon has been rid of, Aaron. No, right there.
That's right there.
Yeah, give it a good yeet. Come on.
Count it. There he is! First try, he's got it, Carlos!
What have you done?
Dang it.
No.
I didn't even look at his head.
Wow. That's unbelievable.
Oh, enough.
Oh no, Aaron.
Sorry.
What'd you guys do on this thing?
Stomach down the 5.
Wait, what?
He went down the 5 on his stomach.
Even that hurt my soul. Hang it on the wall?
Immortalize it right now.
we
Where the
need some-
snowboard used to be.
One snowboard gone, one Giganter plus.
This is a beautiful moment that only gets captured every once in a while.
Oh no, it's too short.
Brings a tear to my
But
eye.
we need like the screws long enough.
Yeah, we have 4-inch screws.
We're immortalizing this forever. Oh wow, it's the longest screw we've ever seen in the Braille house. There
How
it
dare
is.
you?
Well, I think that's golden. We have a very special, exciting announcement happening March 17th at 2019. Go to Instagram, follow @BrailleSkate, repost this with the hashtag #PushSkateboarding, and you will be entered to win these wheels right here. Go to Instagram, repost this post right here, hashtag #PushSkateboarding, and you will be automatically entered to win this. The winner will be chosen at random on Instagram. Follow @BrailleSkate, and let's go. March 17th, the largest push skateboarding campaign in the history of skateboarding ever. This is gonna push skateboarding all over the world.